Hello guys, thank you for being here. My name is Derek and I'm the creative behind Rhodes PC. So what I do is computer projects, computer mods. And in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Ryobi 8¼ inch compact table saw. It's a bit of a crazy tool for a PC modder, but I am going to be using it in an upcoming project. Now, let's get it unboxed. The accessories that come with it are the push stick, a miter guide, wrenches to change the blade, a fence, and your guard. Okay, that's it. The saw is all put together. Assembly out of the box took me like 5 minutes. It was super quick. Just the guide, the fence, the miter guide, and I had to raise the blade up and let go of one shipping holder. From here, I'm going to get it set up and we'll go do some test cuts. Well, there you have it. That was me testing out my new Ryobi 8¼ inch table saw. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not well versed in the different types of table saws and the different manufacturers of table saws that are out there. This is actually only my second one, but I'm quite happy with it. I felt a lot more comfortable cutting with it than my last table saw. And I did wear my safety gear. I used the push stick when I needed it, and I have some safety glasses on. But I was able to cut, some lengths of 2x4 without much issue. This is also a 3/4 inch piece of maple. We cut through this no problem. This is just from a cutoff from the shop. And then I cut 3 6-inch strips of 1/2 inch MDF as well to test it out. And it really handled it all great. For the price, I was really happy with this saw. I think it's a great option for the DIYer like myself. All right. This is a different type video for me. I just thought I would, I'm getting some new tools into the shop, and I thought I'd do, kind of an unboxing video for each tool so that anybody following my channel will kind of see, have the shop evolve with me. And if you're on the market for a table saw, hey, why not, The Ryobi did really well for me, and I'm excited for the project I'm going to be using it for, which you'll see come to life between now and March. Okay. Thank you guys, and have fun.